Hi guys, I'm Ethan, and
today we're making chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie.
And we're gonna make our homemade chicken soup to go in the chicken pot pie. So what are we gonna do first? We're gonna melt the butter. Go ahead and put the small part. So that's about a tablespoon of butter. We're gonna let that melt. And once it's all, you can get the whisk and whisk it around. Once it's all melted, then we're gonna add in the flour. We got a 1/4 cup of flour. We're gonna make a roux. This is gonna be for our soup. Okay, you can leave it on the stove and just use the whisk. There you go. All right, get your flour, put your flour in. Now the butter is all melted. Okay, whisk it around. All right, so we got our butter all incorporated, the flour all incorporated in the butter. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of water or stock. Stock will be better, but we didn't have time. Good job. And then we have our seasonings. So here we have a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of salt, sea salt. Mix it all in. You want to keep mixing. Then we have our homemade hemp milk. I'm going to pour a cup. Go ahead and you can pour the milk in there.
That's a little bit over a cup.
You want to mix it till it gets nice and thick. All right, so as you can see, as Chef Ethan is mixing, you could see the soup getting thicker. And we're going to use that and make a chicken pot pie. Really quick and easy meal. All right, guys, so as you can see, pour it slowly, Ethan, so they can see. See how the soup is starting to get thick? And once you get it to your thickness, then you can go ahead and incorporate. We're going to incorporate our bag of steamed vegetables. We like a lot of veggies, so we're going to use 3 bags. And then we're going to do some chopped chicken and a really quick the refrigerated rolls, and we'll show you how we put it all together.
Okay, after about 15 minutes, we have our soup.
Excellent. Now show them how thick it is. So now we're going to incorporate our veggies. Then we have some chicken my husband put on the grill the other day. So we'll chop that up, put everything in the pan, and then bake it like a chicken pot pie on 350 for about 20 minutes.
Okay, so we have our cooked chicken, and we're going to put it in the pot.
Excuse the noise. We got the little baby in back. Ooh, yes, and it looks so good. It's okay. Come here, Kristen. Baby's a little bit upset. Daddy, come inside. Ooh, that looks so good.
Okay, guys, now our mix is
Now we're gonna put it in our baking sheet. Let mommy help you. We're gonna put it in the baking sheet. All right, that's good enough. And now we're going to get our refrigerated biscuits. And we're going to put the topping on. Look at that. And again, it's up to you. Hold on, guys. It's up to you. You can season it to the refrigerated biscuits. All right, tell us what you're doing. So you got your biscuits open. Here, I'll hold one.
I guess I'm doing
Split it in the middle. Yep, like that. Peel it apart. Awesome. And you're just gonna put them right on top of each other. Well, beside each other, excuse me. One beside the other. Make sure it's lying flat. Very good. There you go. And my hands are clean, guys. Sorry about the background noise. All right, so here is our pot pie. It's all ready, and we're gonna pop it in the oven. Thank you, Chef Ethan. Hold on.
All right, guys, this is our chicken pot pie.
Say enjoy.
Enjoy.
All right, tell them bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell below to say hi.
Awesome.